here from the beginning. Do you remember when I did that video where I talked about an oil blend to help you fight your cold and your viruses? Well, that oil blend has actually been working for me for literally almost a year now, and I have just been super excited because everybody been calling off except for me. And so I know that the oil blend working. You can't tell me otherwise. And so what I wanted to do was recreate that oil blend and do a disinfectant spray. So I try to keep my promise of making my recipes only with using a maximum of 4 oils, and this time it's a little bit more than that, so I'm sorry. But what I will say is when I first made this recipe, I did not have peppermint oil. So you don't have to use that one, but what we're going to use in this disinfectant spray is tea tree oil, of course, lemon oil, lavender, definitely oregano, because oregano is probably literally what the secret ingredient is. I really strongly believe that, because the way I discovered this recipe to begin with, I had my last sore throat early last year, and I rubbed oregano oil on my throat without realizing I'm supposed to dilute it. And y'all, my sore throat was gone. It was burning, and I don't advise nobody to ever do that, but it went away. I'm not going to use coconut oil because this is going to be a disinfectant, but what I am going to use is alkaline water to give it, you know, that watery sprays type of situation. And we are just going to make it. So I'm turning the camera around and we're going to get started, and then I'm going to let you all go. By the way, I'm literally just doing this because I want to, because I actually switched my bleach a long time ago for this disinfectant. I'll insert a photo right here, but this disinfectant's like a doctor or somebody, she just posted in the customer group how they did like a comparison of the germ level or some, I don't know, some science stuff that I don't know nothing about. And it shows how much this actually kills germs and things like that. You already know you can get this on my website, ninapopwilliams.com/products. All right, y'all. It's so crazy because every time I record a video, I realize how terrible I am at doing this. By the way, I got this glass bottle from Whole Foods in case you are looking to purchase one. They were like $2.99. I do not usually measure. I just kind of look back at my videos and see how many drops I use. So I'm going to do my best at telling you what I'm doing. But to be honest, you can just play it by ear. You don't need that many essential oils. It's like some people be like, use 10 drops. You don't need all that. All right, so we're going to do 5 drops of peppermint oil. Optional. 4 drops of lavender. That's not optional. We're going to definitely add some oregano because this is 5 drops. Because that is going to be the kicker that kills everything. We are out of lemon oil. What the heck? Had a new bottle. All right. We're going to add, well, I like the smell of lemon, so I'm going to add about 10 drops of that one because I like lemon. Okay, and then y'all know we got to add us some tea tree oil. I have a whole series on this channel of how I use tea tree oil. You should check it out. I put all the videos into a playlist. And we're going to just do 10 drops of that. I don't know if y'all could see that, but y'all know like oil and water don't mix. So what I'm going to do is add witch hazel to this because witch hazel kind of makes it mix. I don't know the science behind it, but that's what I'm going to do. So I'm pouring a little of this onto something to disinfect, and then I'm going to add that. This is the finished product. Y'all, we got our disinfectant. But now I'm actually wondering, can I use this as a hand sanitizer?
No! God, please, no! No!
I mean, technically, maybe. I didn't add any carrier oil. It smells good. I don't know. What happens if I put my hands in my eyes? Because you know, people touch their face all day long. I don't necessarily know if that'll be any good. Anyway, y'all don't need to hear me try to experiment. I hope this video helps you. You can use this disinfectant that we just created. You can use this recipe in a roller blend, like in this video, or you can use it as a disinfectant. Or I don't know, if you like me, we might be using this as a hand sanitizer too. So with that being said, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, but you know, I know you did. And with that being said, stay as safe as possible during this season. It's cold season, flu season. We don't have to be afraid of the coronavirus to not want to catch it. So just stay safe, y'all. I'm just saying. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting the channel. So share this video if you like the recipe. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. See y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.